Ever felt your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra deserved a smoother, sharper, and smarter controlled experience? Today, we're diving into the 6 best mouses of 2025 built to level up your workflow and gaming. Welcome back to the channel. Grab yours through the links in the description below. The number 6 product on our list is UrbanX Bluetooth Mouse. Imagine upgrading your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra with a mouse that feels like it was built just for it. That's exactly the vibe the UrbanX Bluetooth Mouse delivers. With Bluetooth 5.1, it connects instantly and flawlessly, whether you're switching between your tablet, laptop, or phone. No more lag, no more dropouts, just pure, seamless performance. The rechargeable battery is a real game changer too, lasting up to 500 hours on a single charge. It frees you from the constant hassle of swapping out batteries. Comfort is another win here with its skin-friendly texture, anti-fingerprint finish, and sturdy scroll wheel that makes long work sessions feel effortless. Compared to some heavier models in this list of top mouses, the UrbanX feels lightweight, portable, and quiet. Its silent clicks mean you can work late nights without disturbing anyone. On the downside, it may feel a bit too slim for users who prefer bulkier ergonomic builds, but for most, that slimness adds portability. A smart, sleek choice for productivity and travel alike. Number 5 is XBG Bluetooth Mouse. The XBG Bluetooth Mouse feels like a serious upgrade for anyone pairing it with the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. What instantly grabs attention is its tri-motive connectivity. Bluetooth 5.4 and 2.4 GHz wireless, making it one of the most versatile options among the 6 best mouses of 2025. Switching devices in under a second is a lifesaver for creators and professionals constantly juggling work between tablets and laptops. The built-in LED status display is a standout feature, showing battery percentage, DPI level, and connection mode, which takes the guesswork out of performance settings. With DPI adjustments up to 2400, you get precise control for everything from detailed design work to casual browsing. Ergonomics are well thought out too, with a contoured thumb rest and palm support that genuinely reduces wrist fatigue compared to slimmer designs like UrbanX. The silent click design makes it perfect for offices or late-night sessions, though heavy-handed users may find the lightweight build less sturdy. Overall, a smart, reliable pick for power users who want control and comfort in one sleek package. At number 4 is CITLLA Bluetooth Mouse. The CITLLA Bluetooth Mouse is built for those who want both flexibility and power when pairing with the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. What sets it apart among the 6 best mouses of 2025 is its dual Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connectivity, letting you hop between devices with just a switch. For students, creators, or multitaskers, that feature alone brings peace of mind. The 4-way scrolling wheel is a productivity booster, making horizontal navigation smooth for spreadsheets, editing timelines, or even reading wide FedMap PDFs. Adjustable DPI up to 3000 ensures precision whether you're sketching or gaming, while the sweat-proof rubber side grips feel secure even during long sessions. Compared to lightweight designs like UrbanX, this one feels sturdier and more professional. Its biggest edge, an insane battery life of over 3 years, powered by included batteries. No cables, no hassle. While some might prefer rechargeable options like the XBG, CITLLA wins for reliability. If you want durability, comfort, and efficiency blended in one, this is a smart pick. The third one on our list is Uiosmuph Wireless Mouse. The Uiosmuph wireless mouse instantly grabs attention with its slim, modern design, but what really makes it stand out among the 6 best mouses for Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 2025 is its dual connection system. With a 2-in-1 USB and Type-C receiver, switching between devices feels effortless, solving the biggest frustration users face with compatibility. Add to that a rechargeable battery through Type-C, and you've got peace of mind knowing you'll never scramble for AA batteries again. Its silent clicks are a game changer for late-night productivity or quiet environments, letting you stay focused without disturbing anyone nearby. Compared to models like the UrbanX that emphasize long battery life, Uiosmuph trades that for sleek portability, making it the smarter pick for travelers and students. The ambidextrous shape and lightweight body feel natural in hand, tested for real-world comfort even during extended sessions. If you value portability, silent operation, and stress-free charging, this mouse is an ideal companion for your tablet or laptop lifestyle. And number 2 is VssoPlor Wireless Mouse. The VssoPlor Wireless Mouse feels like a breath of fresh air in the crowded lineup of accessories for the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, standing tall among the 6 best mouses of 2025. Right from the start, its frosted finish and whisper-quiet clicks create a sense of calm that's rare in productivity tools, making it ideal for late-night studying, creative sessions, or quiet office spaces. Unlike some models that sacrifice comfort for slimness, VssoPlor's contour design fits naturally in the hand. Tested for real-world comfort even in long workdays, the adjustable DPI range offers smooth control across different surfaces, a subtle advantage when compared to lighter picks like Uiosmuph. Rechargeable power adds peace of mind, removing the hassle of constant battery swaps, while dual receivers ensure seamless compatibility with tablets, laptops, or Chromebooks. If you're seeking a mouse that balances elegance with everyday practicality, this one delivers a smart blend of comfort, precision, and portability that feels genuinely worth adding to your setup. Now, moving to the last one is Logitech Bluetooth Mouse. Logitech has once again redefined what a compact Bluetooth mouse can feel like, bringing personality and power together in a way that instantly stands out in the 6 best mouses for Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 2025. The Pop series doesn't just look stylish, it's designed to make your workflow smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. The Smart Wheel is a game changer, letting you switch from precision tracking to speed scrolling in a flick, something few rivals like VssoPlor can match at this level. Its silent touch clicks bring peace of mind in shared spaces, while the customizable action buttons elevate it beyond a standard mouse, giving you shortcuts to apps, music, or even creative tools. Multi-depeering is flawless, switching across your tablet, laptop, and phone without missing a beat. Tested for real-world comfort in everyday use. Yes, it runs on an AA battery instead of being rechargeable, but the 2-year lifespan offsets the hassle. For users who value both design and dependable performance, this is a confident and stylish choice. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best mouses. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.